Intricate Devo, Intricate.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Intricate Devo, the place where complex programming concepts become super easy and actually fun to learn. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful concepts in the Java and object-oriented programming, inheritance. Now imagine this. What if you could create a new class without rewriting all same code again and again? What if your new class could automatically get powers from another class? Well, that's exactly what Java inheritance does. So grab your coffee, open your IDE and let's unlock inheritance the intricate Devo way. In Java, inheritance allows one class to inherit attributes and methods from another class. Think of it like real life. Our children inherit a future from parents, right? Similarly, in Java, one class becomes the parent class, another becomes the child class. The child automatically gain access to parents' futures. In inheritance, we mainly deal with two types of classes: superclass, subclass. Superclass, also called parent class; subclass, also called child class. The child class inherits from the parent class using the extend keyword like this: class car extends vehicle. This means car is a vehicle, and that leads us to one of the most powerful inheritance rules. Inheritance should only be used when there is a true is a relationship. Dog is an animal, car is a vehicle, but car is an engine. No, that's wrong. A car has an engine. That is called composition, not inheritance. And trust me, understanding this difference makes you think like a real software engineer. Imagine writing a same method again and again in multiple classes. That would be a nightmare. Inheritance solves this beautifully. You write a common functionality once in a parent class and every child class can reuse it. Child class can also customize parent methods. This is called method overriding. It allows Java to achieve something called runtime polymorphism. And yes, that sounds scary, but it's actually super cool. We will see that soon. Let's understand inheritance with a simple vehicle and car example. Class vehicle, protected string brand Ford, public void honk, system.out.println two. Class car extend vehicle, private string model name Mustang, public static void main strings args my car is equal to new car, my car.honk, system.out.println my car.brand plus my car.model name. Here what's explaining? The vehicle class has a variable called brand, a method called honk. Now the car class extends vehicle, so automatically car gets access to brand and honk without rewriting them. That's inheritance magic. Protected string brand. If we used private, the child class car would not able to access it, but protected allows subclass to use it safely. So remember this rule: private only inside same class, protected accessible inside subclass too. Now here a mind-blowing Java fact. Every single class in a Java inherits from something, even if you don't write extend. Java secretly makes your class inherit from java.lang.object. That's the ultimate parent class in the object in the Java. That's why every object automatically gets methods like toString equals hashcode. Java gives these powers to every object by default. That's honestly one of the coolest hidden thing in the Java. What if you don't want a class to be inherited? Easy. Use the final keyword, final class vehicle. Now no class can extend vehicle. If another class tries, compilation error. This is useful when you want to lock a behavior for security and design reasons. Now let's level up. When a child class inherits from parent, sometimes we still want to access the parent version directly. That's where super keyword comes in. It has two major uses: calling parent constructor, calling parent method. Class animal string name, public animal string name, this dot name equals name, system.out.println animal constructor called. Class dog extends animal, public dog string name, super name, system.out.println dog constructor called. When we create a dog object, Java first call the parent constructor using super name. And important, super must always be a first line in the child constructor, otherwise Java gets angry. Override. Public void eat, super.eat, system.out.println, the dog finishes the food quick. Here the dog class override the parent eat method, but using super.eat, we can still call the parent version first. This is extremely useful in the real world object. Now here a very famous Java interview question. Why doesn't a Java allow multiple inheritance with the classes? Example, class child extends parent 1, parent 2. This is illegal in Java. Why? Because of something called a diamond problem. If both parents have the same method, Java gets confused about which one to execute. To avoid this dangerous ambiguity, Java only allows single inheritance for classes. But don't worry, Java achieves multiple behavior inheritance using interface, and we will cover that in another awesome video. Here an important developer tip. Use inheritance only for true is a relationship, and if one class simply uses another, composition is usually better. Professional developers think are very careful before using inheritance because bad inheritance design can make a project messy very quickly. Quick recap. Inheritance allow one class to inherit another class. Use the extend keyword. Child class equals subclass. Parent class equals superclass. Inheritance supports code reusability. Protected allows subclass access. Super accesses parent constructor and methods. Final prevent inheritance. Java avoids multiple inheritance because of diamond problem. And that's Java inheritance explained simply. If this video made inheritance finally click in your brain, smash the like button, comment your favorite Java concept below, share this video with your coding friends, and subscribe to Intricate Devo for more simplified and programming content. Keep learning, keep building, and keep coding like a pro. See you in the next video.